Well, it is June Dairy Month, and what better way to celebrate than the dairy farmers of Wisconsin? Angie Edge is joining us. Hi, Angie.
Hi, it's my favorite month. Welcome to Wisconsin.
Yes.
We're here celebrating June Dairy Month. It's a great month to really taste, discover, and really celebrate all things Wisconsin dairy.
And there's so much to celebrate when it comes to that, too.
In Wisconsin, we have over 80 different farm breakfasts and events. I know you were at one of the events promoting the Cows on the Concourse this morning. And they're all local events. Each county has their own event made up of a group of volunteers to really pay tribute to Wisconsin dairy farmers and really educate the public about our dairy industry.
Well, you have a delicious looking recipe for us today.
Yes.
And this is kind of a fun month because there's so many ways to be able to incorporate dairy here in Wisconsin.
Yeah, so it's kind of like you can have your own breakfast on the farm at home by supporting local, buying Wisconsin dairy products and cheese. So we have the lemon ricotta pancakes, and it has a homemade blueberry compote with it, and loaded with 4 different Wisconsin dairy products.
Oh my gosh.
So good. So the base layer is homemade pancakes like you would, and then you're going to mix a batter that has, of course, milk, eggs, flour. There's this ricotta con latte cheese. There's butter. All the good things about pancakes loaded with extra dairy goodness, cooking them on the griddle. And then you're going to make this homemade blueberry sauce that adds just a lot of extra sweetness to it. There's blueberries, there's sugar, there's real butter, lots of good ingredients. And then you can't have pancakes without topping it off with more butter and real whipping cream.
That looks delicious.
So you're really celebrating all things Wisconsin dairy.
Well, yeah, and kids are getting out of school soon. This sounds like the perfect summer breakfast right here,
Yeah, fun to make at home. And like I said, it supports our local dairy farmers. Some of the local products that I used was the milk and the heavy whipping cream from Sassy Cow Creamery in Columbus, a family-run dairy farm nearby. And then the Belgioso ricotta con latte cheese. Super fun. Con latte means with cream, with extra milk. It's a little bit creamier, so it adds that full flavor to the pancakes.
Good stuff.
Yeah, you can find the Belgioso ricotta in almost every grocery store. They have 7 different factories in Wisconsin, 8 Wisconsin master cheesemakers. They've won so many awards. Just one of those proud Wisconsin companies that's family-run as well. So we're so proud of the fact that in Wisconsin, 99% of our farms are family-owned and multi-generations that are really part of the backbone of America's dairy land.
And that's why June is so important to celebrate that,
So
right?
important to celebrate the farm families, and it all starts with that high-quality milk that we get on the farms, the hardworking dairy farmers. So if you want to help celebrate, you can look for the Proudly Wisconsin cheese, the Proudly Wisconsin dairy badge, and really supporting our local dairy farms, maybe even getting out to one of the on-farm events.
It's that support, but also the taste of real Wisconsin dairy, right?
Yes.
That's what we always look forward to.
Dairy delicious.
Yes, absolutely. Where can folks find the recipe?
You can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com. You can learn more about our cheesemakers, learn more about our dairy industry, and find lots and lots of great recipes.
All right, Angie. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy June Dairy Month.
You bet.